Let's learn how to set up LinkedIn ads event-based conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager. So under the measurement, go to conversion tracking, click on create conversion. The conversion we are talking about here is the inside tag conversion. So when your conversion action is not leading to a thank you page, but let's say if you're clicking a button and the page URL remains same. So we are discussing that scenario here. So you can click on your category of the conversion, click on next. So we are not talking about here the button and the pages. We have another video for that. Click on the manual conversion setup. So here is the event specific tag, so which you can give to the developer here. You can copy the code and give to the developer, but what we are talking about here is the tag through tag manager. So click on the tag manager, and here you will see the partner ID as well as the event specific tag. So click on this. So you can either give this to your developer, or we can have this conversion ID. So as you can see here, the conversion ID is required for conversion tracking to functions. So please copy and paste this conversion ID to Google Tag Manager. So let's head over to Google Tag Manager here. Under the tag section, click on create new tags, click on this pencil icon. Let's search LinkedIn from here. Let's go to this discover more tag types in the community template gallery. Let's search LinkedIn from here. Let's add this inside tag 2.0 to our workspace. Click on add. So here you can see it is asking for the partner ID, which I mentioned, as well as the conversion ID. So you can enter both of these things here. As far as the trigger that is goes, so you can put it on any of the pages here. So you can just select it, trigger configuration. So page URL. So you can see here some page views. You can select the variable from here. You can click on page URL. So page URL contains, you can put the URL of your page here, and in this way you can set up the event-based conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager. Thanks so much.